Hi, I'm Serge. I'm coming from Montreal. I'm a leader, an entrepreneur, as well as an executive coach and performance coach. And also, I'm a triathlete. I was introduced to sophrology because I was wondering how I could get comfortable in water. The first exercise I got was really about relaxing and getting out the stress out of my body. In water, the more you tense, the more you're going to be sinking and the more energy that you're losing. So by doing this exercise, I felt more comfortable and actually enjoyed swimming. Running multiple businesses, for me, it's about finding this moment with Sophrology that helps me neutralizing the storm of doing a lot of things at the same time and suddenly stopping the time and being able to scan myself and then rest and then switch off to the next activity. You want to continue to strive, you want to continue to be on the top. That requires a lot of energy. So I find it very restorative when it comes to managing your energy. Sophrology is one way to be able to restore yourself and to work more smarter instead of more harder. It helped me be a better athlete, a smarter athlete, and a better leader. And both combined, for me, today with sophrology, it's really a step forward to be able to do that in a sustainable way.